In this video tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can add beautiful slideshow to the front end of your website, just as this display result which you can see. And here I will share with you exactly the plugin I use for this particular tutorial, as well as exactly what you need to do to come out with beautiful slideshow like this, and to also make this slide to be played auto, that is autoplay. And I will share with you all the tips you need so that you can create beautiful slideshows like this on the front end of your website to make it look amazing and beautiful. So without wasting time, I'm going to begin with the first step of this tutorial by making sure that we create slideshow similar like what you can see now. So what you want to do as the first step is to first of all make sure that you logged in to your WordPress website, and we are going to be using this particular plugin called Smart Slider 3, as you can see here. To those of you who cannot find this, you want to make sure to locate this area that says plugin, come to this area that says add new plugin, and search for the key term Smart Slider 3 inside of this search box, and you're going to see this plugin that says Smart Slider 3. You want to make sure to go ahead to install it, then activate it. And once it has been installed and activated, you need to come to this left side bar. As you can see here, you're going to see it here. This is it here, Smart Slider, as you can see here, and this is the dashboard of the Smart Slider. If you click on that, you're going to see it looks like this. This is it here. If you come to this area that says go to the dashboard and click on it, you'll be taken to the dashboard of the Smart Slider. This is it here. And inside of this area, what you want to do is to make sure that you come here to either create a new project or to make sure that you edit the default project which is already from within. For example, I just came to this area that says tutorial slider and just come to edit, click on it and just edit it to fit your need. Inside here, you can remove the slides which you don't like by coming here and delete it, or you can just delete all the ones which you don't like and insert only the images which you want it to display as the slide of your front page or any post page. By doing so, if you want to add, just come to the add button of the add slide, click on it, choose the image area, click on image, and you'll be taken to your media library. Inside of your media library, you have two options, either to upload the files you want to use for the image or to just choose from the images you already have. Example, if I click here on this one, as an example, you're going to see once you click there, just give it a text description and click on select. And once you do that, it will be uploaded. You can see successful, it has been added. And this is it here, it has been added. You want to make sure to go ahead to add all the various images you want it to load, and the ones which you don't want, you can still delete them. And once it has fit your need on how many slides you want it to be found, then of course, once it has been done, you just need now to come here to this area which says shortcode, to copy this shortcode. Copy the shortcode and choose the copy button. Then for you to make it to autoplay, just make sure to locate this autoplay area here. Click on the autoplay and make sure that you switch it on. By default, it is off. You need to come to this area that says autoplay. Click on the on button to make sure that it autoplay is on. Then, of course, you can also make sure that you, just as it's like this, you just leave it like this by default. And you can still decide to show if you want button to be displayed from the side hand area. For button, if you click on switch, you are going to see that the style will be found here, and the button style will display. Once that has been done, just come to the save button and click on saved, and that will be saved. Once that has been saved, you want to make sure now that you come to this area, to the post area or to the page area, because that code which you have copied will be pasted either from the front page or from any post within your site. Let's assume that we want to create a page. Let's call it a new page, or we just open a page where we want that particular slide to display from there. what you want to do, once that page loads, as you can see here, give that page a title. For example, let's say, let me close this. Let me try to close this particular display page from here. Okay, let's give it a title like example 1. Then once you do that, come here, you're going to see a plus sign button. Just click like this from within your WordPress site. Just make sure to search for the key term shortcode. And once you do that, you are going to see something like this. Click on the shortcode and insert that code which you have copied by pasting it there. And once you paste it, just click on the publish button. Click on publish. And once that has been done, you can now click to view the page. Click on it and you're going to see that result. Let's click on it to view that page. You can see this is the page here. This is it here. It is going to autoplay because we have set it already on autoplay. You can see that's the autoplay. It's going to autoplay again. And it is going to move to the next layer, and you can see it is really beautiful. So this is exactly how you can easily add slideshows to either your post page or the front page or post area of your website easily as a slide. We are also going to be making other related video tutorials like this, testing other different slides to see which one are the best. And we are always going to make sure that we present to you the best slide based on the additions so that you see which ones you can use for your project, either by post or pages, to create this slide for the beautiful display of your website. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you again in the next upload. And bye-bye for now.